Welcome, today I've heard of XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that tap to the always on display and lock screen section. Here we can tap to the always on display. We can switch here the display AOD feature time for 10 seconds after tapping always to set a start and out time, or also to activate or turn off the AOD when the battery saver mode is turned on. Here we can set our custom theme, so we can add here photo or wallpaper, just picture from the gallery. We can here change the text color of date, time, and battery status. We can just change the clock position here, and to turn on or turn off the battery status and notifications. And I'll show you just here the default themes. Also we can just add here the signature theme, so we can just enter something from our just test, just for example hard reset, hard reset team. After that we can switch here the text color, or also we can just change the origin here. We can switch text size to the bigger, smaller, the bold, also the letter spacing, the line spacing here, so different. Also we can here change the color automatically, or just also we can here add the date and time, the battery status, the notifications. And now just click here to apply it, and we can see that we just create our own also notification, always on display theme. We can set the analog clock here, also the kaleidoscope, that is AOD theme we have just have before here, also the digital one, and what the different backgrounds pictures, for example this one. Also here we can change the color to the battery status, the notifications, and as you can see that I just applied successfully. So that's it, that's how to customize always on display feature on our Poco device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.